Hey everyone, this is Mr. Sovar with another vlog video, and sorry if my mouth seems a little weird when I'm talking. Just came from the dentist and they numbed it a little bit. Anyways, so yeah, I haven't really been doing too much with videos lately, and I'm I'm a really busy person, and my school and other things come first, and my videos. I tend to look at my videos as just something fun to do. Yes, I do have some advertisements on there, but heck, why not? If you kind of like what you're doing, why not have like a little bit of money here and there? But anyways, I kind of realized that subscribing or subscribers have been growing a little bit, like tiny bit faster than usual, which I like always. I always like all my subscribers. I don't know what to call them yet, but I'll call them as my subs for now, I guess. I don't know. Um, just thank you for everyone who's been watching, all sorts of stuff like that. But the major news for today is I am going to try to, well, I'm not really for sure if I should do it through app GameKit, but I'm thinking probably, like, I'm having two things I want to do for, like, open source projects. I'm not really for sure about one of them. One of them I should try to sell because, like, I'm not really making that much money right now. I kind of need to eventually. Right now I'm pretty good, but anyways, doesn't matter about that. But the thing that you should matter about is this open source project that I'm working on is for AGK, I believe, App Game Kit. If you don't know what App Game Kit is, look at my tutorial videos. They're actually pretty good. Goes through the system and tells you how to program it through uh, the tier 1 or the basic programming. Excuse me. With the tier 1, you can basically program in one programming language and distribute through all the different devices like iPhone, Android, all that stuff without having to learn Java, the Objective C, C++, all that. And it works on Mac and PC also, so it's not just mobile devices. But my open source project is that I know how to operate external devices through a Visual Basic program through a serial or using USB. Um, I was wondering if I could actually link together the Visual Basic programming and the AGK programming to create a universal hardware adapter system for PC at least. For Mac, I'm not really for sure, and for mobile devices, I'm not really for sure. But for PC, that would be a really cool thing to do. And I figure it's a very small project. It's not big like a huge lines of codes or anything like that. It's just like two little files, and they interact with each other. One file goes to like a I don't know. Well, of course, AGK is already compatible with the mouse, but let's just say this was a special mouse that didn't work with AGK. I'll have the Visual Basic program here. It'll communicate to this, send it to the AGK program. So, like for example, one great example would be if you had gloves on and they had certain tilt sensors, so you could be like doing this stuff and it would interact with the AGK software, but by default it doesn't. So it had the Visual Basic program communicating it through a serial through a microcontroller, controlling that certain device without having additional drivers other than the propeller chip drivers. Um, and yes, I should have said a little bit that it would be communicating to the propeller chip. It's a microcontroller, has 8 cores in it, goes up to 100 megahertz, I believe. It's a really nice chip. It also has video drivers built into it, so like you can make an Atari out of it or something like that. Has external memory, all sorts of that stuff. So I don't know. I thought it was a really cool project. Of course, if I do get this started, I would do like a Google Code type of thing, stuff like that. I'm thinking for the first couple alphas of the other open source project I'll have free, but as soon as I get into the beta stage, I think I should sell it because if I do get this one open source project really big and working very well, it would be very viable to sell it because it's for Java. use the lightweight Java game language, whatever you call it, on it with Slick also, and you can. It's basically so simple of a programming language. Well, it's Java, but I made it 10 times easier to create stuff, and just calling the object within the reference library will automatically create a three-dimensional world, 2D or three-dimensional world for doing stuff that is with OpenGL and stuff like that. And it's all set for you and everything. You just have to say, okay, move camera here or there. Or you can just say control camera using WASD and it does it automatically. Or you want to do like C dot make box and it makes it a box. And you don't have to worry about vertices or anything like that. But anyways, those are the two projects I was kind of interested about. I might do some videos on it. Maybe some Java tutorial videos. Um, AGK tutorial videos I've really slowed down on. I know that one person requested a multiplayer, which I don't know if I'll have a working multiplayer app. I could show you the code so you can test out yourself. It's kind of difficult how that works. You kind of need two computers and stuff like that. I don't know. It's a little tough, but anyways, so yeah, other than that, I do have the StarCraft Minecraft server up and running, which is only on certain times, usually during nighttime. Again, it's TechKit, so you need Technic launcher for that. Let me see. I might start doing some more TF2 videos. I know that TF2 is a little old, but I really like TF2 a lot. I might do more videos of that, and I was thinking about League of Legends, but not really for sure about that one. I don't know. I need like I want to do something different for video game videos. Like I'm not like of course the viewers like I try to listen as much as I can. They don't give me feedback, so I gotta well they do for the tutorial videos, which I appreciate. And I always try to listen to my viewers when it comes to videos, but no one's really suggested too much, so I'm just gonna try to pull a rabbit out of my hat and just pick out a random one that's probably an old-fashioned game that no one really plays, but it was still pretty good back then, so I might do something like that. Um, Other than that, I'm gonna kind of go away from Minecraft. Minecraft is still fun to play, but it's getting a little boring doing videos on. Like I don't know what to do. That's the thing. Like tech is like okay, I do this, and it's boring. And I want something that'll be fun with, that I get excited with. Minecraft is something that you kind of just want to relax to, and I don't necessarily want that too much. I was thinking on doing some more Gmod, but instead of tutorials on making stuff, like my first Gmod video was horrifying. um, Maybe these like 30-second videos of something hilarious or disturbing happens in Gmod that I set up and probably make like 30 videos of that or something like that. Um, Let me see, is that it? I believe that is it. Oh yes, and also you really want to try to check out my website that I have. I believe no one's really looked at it too much. Like people on Facebook that I'm friends with, really good friends with, have actually seen it. But other than that, not too many people have, which is okay. It doesn't bother me if you don't, but try to check it out a little bit. It has some interesting stuff on there. It shows the server. And I'm going to be posting the alpha version of my Java game engine. The game engine does not have graphics like Unreal or anything like that. It's nowhere near like that. Just to tell you that it's really really basic at the moment. I think the box command doesn't even work yet, but it's like with my schedule it's kind of hard to do and stuff like that. But I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna have it open source for like I don't know. I don't know. I'm kind of still thinking on what I'm gonna do with it. Like I know I kind of showed my friends like here's the code a little bit, look at it and stuff like that. But anyways, yeah. Other than that, I think that's it. Again, that AGK stuff, I'm gonna have like a basic code and post it on like a Google Code project type of thing. Any developers that watch my videos and know Java, or I'm sorry, AGK and Visual Basic, can take a look at it. If you know Propeller, which I believe no one that views my channel would know something like that, but if you do, that would be great because that would be cool if you could develop something like that. And of course, it's gonna be 100% open source. I'm not gonna rip you off and take it. And no, I'm not that type of person. That's just bull crap to me. If like I'll have a license and they're saying like, oh, you can't take this, and even if you do take, well, here's the thing: anyone can take the software and like I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. How about if it's not open source, but it's like, here you go, you can use it, and you can use it in your app, and whatever. It doesn't bother me if you sell it or not. Of course, if you do sell it and you have to have a certain hardware, you're going to be like a business doing that. You can't just be an individual just supplying stuff. But, anyways, yet again, I still have to think about it. I'm going to look at my old games and stuff and maybe do one today or pick one out at least. Been working on an app so far, but anyways, this is probably the longest vlog I've had so far. Hmm. But anyways, I am going to end the video here. I might post a video on the 3D app that I've been working on. It's pretty cool. But anyways, make sure you like the video if you liked it. This is probably my most important vlog so far out of all of them. And so yeah, subscribe also. It's really, I believe it's up there. Make sure to subscribe. It would really help me out and support me. Check out my Minecraft videos. AGK. Yeah, I can't talk with this mouth. Ugh. Um, Make sure to check out the AGK tutorials. I do have some TF2 in there. All my videos are mainly Minecraft because I really do like Minecraft. And if you really look back to like my first or second video, that was my original mod for beta 1.8. That was really cool. Check that one out. That was like a couple years ago or a year ago, something like that. But anyways, hope you guys are all good and everything. Make sure to subscribe and see you later. Bye.